friendship was being handed down to us children, no? In fact, nahimo na namo ni siya murag suon, adopted son ni mama sa una ni Atiging, adopted brother. Asa min, tuwa siya, asa siya, wala ni. No, there were so many instances before that the family went abroad and then before ginawala siya. No, we went cruise me, no, and one before and he was with us, no, kani siya. No, then before na ani siya program together with my mom sa CCTN, ginganlan kini title kini Oga Sam Chanted Evening, no? So katong magpiano-piano niya, katong babae guwapa kay mo kanta na yun, piano niya ako tong mama siya. No, then karon yes, naasa may program duha sa DYRF, no? Gabayan sa Kaayuhan. A program which was also being handed down to me by my mom, no? Para sa pangikay-sikay sa panginabuhi, no? Sponsored sa mo ang product ng Biotrop Herbal Capsules. Now,